Hello, my name is Elijah Coleman, and I'm here to present my job application rationale talk. My job ad is for Superior Ag Summer Agronomy Internship I applied for. The major requirements include currently attending a college and farming knowledge, CDL preferably, and know how to operate heavy equipment, machinery. Priorities include helping around the shop and around the workplace, driving trucks, hauling fertilizer, ammonia tanks, and chemicals. My experience, I've worked at 3 Superior Ag locations, agronomy, grain, and the feed mill. Uh, I've drove semis, hauled ammonia, hauled chemicals, operated heavy equipment, cleaned grain bins, loaded grain, unloaded grain, loaded feed, mixed feed, made feed. Uh, just some important factors you're gonna have to know if you go into the ag industry. Some other highlighted content I think is important to know is your high school education. I graduated academic and technical. My college education. I'm graduating with my associates from VU this spring. I'm transferring to Purdue this fall. Uh, I'm pending my bachelor's degree in agronomy. So in 2 more years, I hope to have my bachelor's degree in agronomy. Uh, Things I've learned about myself is I've had a lot of experience in the agriculture industry, with me being in 4-H and having animals and stuff like that. Uh, I'm gonna need a lot more experience in my future. I know that 3 years of working in the ag industry isn't enough, but uh, I'm gonna keep learning inside of school and outside of school as much as I can, and hopefully, whenever I get out of school in Purdue from 2 years, I can get a job and I'll have more knowledge of what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of my life. Because right now, I'm just in the middle stages of I kind of know what I'm doing, but I hope I can learn a lot more. Thank you.